Welcome back to the Canadian Citizens Journal. Today we are looking at Chapter 8 of our Constitutional Manual. This chapter covers the legal profession and a very important office called the Attorney General. In Canada, the legal profession is self-governing. This means that lawyers are not regulated by the government, but by their own law societies. Hogg explains that this is a constitutional necessity. If the government controlled the lawyers, it would be very difficult for a citizen to find a lawyer willing to sue the government. Independent lawyers are a shield for the public. But the most complex role in this chapter is the Attorney General. This person is usually the Minister of Justice, which means they sit in the cabinet with the Prime Minister. However, as the Attorney General, they have a special duty to the court and the public that sits above their loyalty to their political party. Hogg explains that the Attorney General is the one who decides whether to prosecute a crime or whether to settle a lawsuit against the government. By convention, the Prime Minister is not supposed to tell the Attorney General how to do their job regarding specific legal cases. We have seen major scandals in recent years where this line was blurred. When a Prime Minister or a cabinet puts pressure on the Attorney General to drop a case or change a legal opinion, it threatens the very foundation of our justice system. Chapter 8 also touches on the right to legal counsel. While the Charter says you have the right to a lawyer if you are arrested, it does not necessarily mean the government has to pay for one in every situation. This creates a massive gap in our system, where many citizens are left to defend their constitutional rights alone because they cannot afford the high cost of the legal profession. Understanding Chapter 8 helps us see that the law is not just a set of rules. It is a profession guarded by people. Whether those people act as gatekeepers for the powerful or protectors of the public depends entirely on how well we hold them to their constitutional duties. Next time, we are moving into Chapter 9 to look at the different levels of government and how they share or fight over tax dollars. Until then, keep looking at the evidence. This is the Canadian Citizens Journal.